I'm gonna tell you a secret and you have to promise to keep it to yourself. I found the perfect sneaker for the summer. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. It's flying way under the radar right now, but let me tell you, these are fire. These Jordan 11 lows are so sick in that purple lilac-y color on the mud guard and that patent leather white upper. Got the carbon fiber down here in the midsole, the translucent purple down here. Listen, these are a hit. Fellas, you want to impress your girl? Buy these. Ladies, if you want all the attention the next time you go out, buy these. But here's the best part. Here's the secret. You can cop these right now for under retail. And look, they come with extra laces. If they don't look dope already, you can do lace flips with the extra laces. I don't know what else I gotta tell you. You need these in your collection. I'm gonna drop the link in the description. If you don't get these, I need to hear why in the comments. Let me know. It's your man, Little Peso.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Not a Sneakerhead. You can subscribe here or you can watch a video that I've selected just for you. Make sure you keep your sneakers clean and have a great day.